In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Minecraft gift card code for Minecoins. Whether you're looking to expand your creative options or wanting to treat yourself to some new skins or worlds from the Minecraft marketplace, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you maximize your Minecraft experience effortlessly. First things first, make sure you have your Minecraft gift card handy. On this card, you'll find a unique code that you'll need for the redemption process. Keep the code close by as you'll need to enter it on your device. Now, let's begin by heading over to the official Minecraft website. You can do this on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on the Minecraft homepage, look for the Redeem option, often found in the top navigation menu or at the bottom of the site. Clicking this will take you to the page where you can input your gift card code. On the redemption page, you'll see a box asking for your unique 10, 20, or 25 character code, depending on your region. Go ahead and carefully enter your code here. Double check for any typos. These codes are case sensitive, so ensure it's correct the first time to avoid any unnecessary frustration. Once you're confident the code is entered correctly, click on the Redeem button. If you don't have a Microsoft account linked yet, you will be prompted to sign in or create one. This account is needed because it's used to store your Minecoins and maintain your purchase history. If you already have a Microsoft account and you're logged in, these steps will be a bit quicker. Once signed in, follow the instructions on the screen to confirm your redemption. Sometimes, there might be an additional verification step, particularly if it's your first time using a gift card, so just follow the prompts. After successful redemption, check your account to ensure the Minecoins have been credited. This can be accessed through the Minecraft Store section or via your account balance in the Settings or Accounts tab. It's always good practice to verify everything has gone through correctly before you start spending. Now, you're all set to use your Minecoins in the Minecraft marketplace. Here you can purchase a wide variety of content such as skins, texture packs, and even new worlds to explore. Simply browse through the marketplace catalog, select your desired content, and make your purchase using the freshly redeemed Minecoins. Finally, while your Minecoins are ready to be spent, remember to spend wisely and enjoy the newly unlocked possibilities in your game. With this simple set of steps, you can continually expand your Minecraft universe with ease. So, go ahead and unleash your creativity, courtesy of your Minecraft gift card. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!